Right, so here we are on the Midland 77095 that mystery benefactor Alan kindly sent me to pass on when repaired to Stuart, my friend, who had one of these where the squelch wasn't kind of normal. This is a bit more normal, but it's not the best squelch you've ever come across. It's not as tight, and if you do tighten up the squelch by adjusting the set internally, and then it'll never ever open, and this is the way these sets can be. So basic set, we've got decent sensitivity, we've got 4 watts output. The repair which to this set was a duff capacitor and a burnt out output transistor. So it's been on a bad aerial and it's been on too high a voltage at some point in its life. It's got PA, went through that on the repair test. We'll just go see if Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21, just checking if you're out there.
Tango 21, yeah.
Roger, I just haven't turned down the tannoy system. Just got some ultrasonic cleaners on at the moment doing some records for tonight. They'll drop off in a moment if you think there's a funny background noise. Tango 21 ready. We'll go over to extension speaker. I think your VFO is being a bit slow.
Yep, roger that. Right, on the move, recording.
Right, so we're now on extension speaker, and off we go. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
21, go ahead.
Right, off we go, I'm ready.
That, you've got a tone control?
Negative, not got a tone control.
Oh, roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger, I think we're a bit early today, but it will be closed. Yep, loud and clear.
Roger. Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads, and we're off again.
Well, wasn't much of a square wheel, you only got to be triangular wheels.
Or oval. Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round a scratchy corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round scratchy corner at Wilsford. 12.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round scratchy corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round scratchy corner at Wilsford. Squelch.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round scratchy corner at Wilsford. Squelch on this is tracking great, and it's a Midland 77095. This is one kindly donated by Alan to be passed on to Stewart.
Ah, roger that. Is it doing the full 4 watts?
It is. We had to replace the output transmitter, which is currently running 75, and so we did change the capacitor on it, which has been overvolted at some time, and the jobs are good, as they say, over.
Roger, all received.
These sets were made like 1991 kind of era, so they just preceded CB2794. So when we do the low power test, it won't be low power, but I still want you to do that so we can look at the S meter.
Roger. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
What has it got you at Wilsford level crossing?
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point out. So I'm on this Midland 77095. Oh, is it 76095? It's 77095. It's 4 watts output, and that's all there really is to say about it. It's drawing 980 milliamps. These sets don't have a meter, so it's nice and efficient for that power output, over.
Yep, roger that. Well, that was all received. Thank you.
Roger. Right, I'm ready when you are.
Roger. Right, back on the road again.
Yeah, I was just watching one of Danny's videos over to see, rate my takeaway.
Yeah, no, he was in Bradford.
Oh yeah, it was in Bradford, wasn't he?
Yes, not far from the old CB shop Empress Trading up Thornton Road, which we remember well.
I do remember the Empress Trading, yes. That's gone now. Look at that address on that road. It's still got the sign saying CB Radio, even though it's now a plumber's.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Going over Rossby level crossing. Right today.
Yep, 149.7, 165.9.
Excellent. And that's where the test ends. Thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. And have you got a petrol price today?
149.7, 165.9.
Excellent, and that's where the test ends, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Right, well that worked great. Having said that, the one we sent back to Stuart before worked fine on the scratchy corner chest, but it did just chop a little bit when we went round scratchy corner, because we couldn't drop the squelch to 0. So this one is obviously working spot on, and we will pass that on to Stuart. So once again, thank you, Alan. And we're going to go through our base station using a standard replacement mic. Originally these came with an Electret mic, and we will just check the deviation with Stuart's, or he'll check the deviation just to make sure that it's right with the factory original mic. So we'll go over to our base station, just see what that sounds like. Tango 21 testing the Midland 77095 into our Midland 76900 base station with the standard replacement microphone. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. And over. Thanks for watching.